Hello, friends. Welcome to the Chapter 6 Pharmaceutical Industry and Concepts. This chapter includes basic structure, layout, sections, and activities of pharmaceutical manufacturing plants, quality control, and quality assurance. The objective of this chapter is understand the basic structure, layout, various sections, and activities of pharmaceutical manufacturing plants. It also describes the concepts and importance of quality control, quality assurance, current good manufacturing practices, calibration, and validation followed in pharmaceutical industry. This industry is an important element of healthcare systems which comprises of many public and private organizations that discover, develop, manufacture, and market pharmaceutical products and devices for human and animal health. Pharmaceutical manufacturing is the process that starts from industrial scale synthesis of pharmaceutical drugs to manufacturing of their products. The basic structure of pharmaceutical manufacturing plant consists of infrastructure and personnel and their functions. Within the working of a pharmaceutical plant lies a whole hierarchy of job position, designations, and rules. The organization structure of a typical pharmaceutical plant is characterized as functional structure, product-oriented structure, and matrix structure. Functional organizational structure is present to some extent in most of the major pharmaceutical manufacturing plants. Each function within the plant is organized separately and each function reports to a specific function or department head. Some of the functional departments in a pharmaceutical industry include manufacturing department, sales department, marketing department, research department, and others. While designing a plant layout, it is important to understand and follow the basic regulatory requirements for the construction of plant building. The layout and design of pharmaceutical manufacturing plant is aimed at minimizing the risk of errors and permitting effective cleaning and maintenance to avoid cross-contamination, buildup of dust or dirt, and avoid any adverse effect on the products. The most common pharmaceutical plant layout consists of various sections such as security office, garden, vehicle parking, power backup, administrative block, production block, sewage treatment plant, utility service department, canteen, and scrapyard. Various activities conducted in pharmaceutical plant comprises of research and development, manufacturing, quality assurance, quality control, warehousing, packaging, product education and compliance, laboratory activities, cleaning and maintenance, commercialization, and pharmaceutical supply and patient assistance programs. Quality is the degree of excellence a product possesses with respect to its design and conformity with certain prescribed standards and specifications, so as to meet customers' expectations. It is a part of quality management focused on fulfilling quality requirements. Steps in quality control includes establishing quality standards, selecting the manufacturing process, developing measurement techniques, monitoring product quality, and taking corrective action. Its significance includes cost reduction and profit maximization, increase in operational efficiency, maximum profit and customer satisfaction, enhancement of image of the organization, provide insurance against heavy losses, and promoting employees' productivity and morale. Quality is simply stated as fit for use or purpose. Assurance is a positive declaration on a product or service which gives confidence. Assurance provides a guarantee that the product will work without any problems as per the expectations or requirements. Together, quality and assurance as quality assurance focuses on improving the pharmaceutical product and its development process to make it efficient and effective as per the quality standards. Quality assurance process has a defined cycle called Plan, Do, Check, Act cycle. The phases of this cycle are plan, do, check, and act. These steps are repeated to ensure that processes followed in the drug's development and manufacturing are evaluated and improved periodically. The functions of quality assurance include technology transfer, validation, documentation, assuring product quality, and quality improvement plans. Quality assurance methods are failure testing, statistical process control, and total quality management. Good manufacturing practice, abbreviated as GMP, is a system for ensuring that products are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standards. It is designed to minimize the risk involved in any pharmaceutical product that cannot be eliminated through testing the final product. Good manufacturing practices are enforced in the United States by the US FDA under Title 21 Code of Federal Regulation. The regulations use the phrase current good manufacturing practices, that is CGMP, to describe current guidelines. The letter C in CGMP reminds manufacturers that they must employ technologies and systems which are up to date in order to comply with the regulation. Calibration means to know how accurate testing and measuring instruments employed in the quality measurement system are. Calibration of instruments and processes is essential for checking their performances against known standards. This provides consistency in readings and reduces the errors. Calibration is done by comparing instruments against most precise and accurate instrument called master instruments or reference standards. It also helps to determine the nature and magnitude of an error, if any, of testing measuring instruments. The concept of validation is used to enhance the standards in order to improve the quality of pharmaceuticals. It was first established and advocated in US by US FDA in 1978. It was introduced in direct response to several problems in the sterility of large volume parenterals, that is LVPs. Initially, it was applied to validation of large volume parenterals manufacturing processes, but later it was applied to other processes such as analytical methods, drug products, computerized system in clinical trials, labeling or process control, etc. Now validation is an important and integral part of current good manufacturing practices. Departments and authorities involved and responsible for validation are Site Validation Committee and Manufacturing, Quality Control, Quality Assurance, Research and Development, and Engineering. Various types of validation are process validation, equipment validation, facilities validation, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system validation, cleaning validation, analytical method validation, and computer system validation. Strategies used in validation include validation master plan, validation report, and expert evaluation. The basic principle for validation may be stated as design qualification, installation qualification, operational qualification, performance qualification, and requalification. At the end of this chapter, a list of short, medium, and long answer questions is given to assess your preparation.